All right, so we have the GameStop drop with the Victini Illustration box, the Gothitelle sticker collection. Then we've got the Reuniclus sticker collection. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start with the Gothitelle sticker collection. Go ahead and get this opened up. Let's see what all we get. All right, so you get your three Wi-Fi packs. The 3 Wi-Fi packs. And then you get your stickers. You like stickers, I guess. And then, last but not least, you get the code card. And then you get the Gothitelle, very nice Gothitelle Black Star promo. Put that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these white player packs. I'm a big fan of white player so far. It's treated me better than Black Bolt, to be honest. Or I guess Black Bolt has probably treated me better. But either way, they both got high pull rates, so you can't really go wrong with either. Scraggy, Basculin, Panseer, Shelmet, Meanshao, Scrafty, Watchdog, a Pokeball Archon. All right. Ferroseed and a Tornadus. I'm not sure what to do with the Pokeballs. They are so common in the set. Let's see. Code card. All right, Hollow Energy to start it out. Panseer, Shelmet, Freelish, Dewop, Excelgor, Vanillix, Watchdog, another Pokeball Shelmet. All right, Sawsbuck, and ooh, look at that, Hilda. That's a good pull. A little ultra rare. Not a bad pull at all. Actually clean. All right. Let's see what we got here. One more code card. All right, basic energy. Okay, Powrat, Shuelis, Cownie, Plume Fossil, Liper, Durant, Vanillix, Lampent, Swoobat, and Ambor. Nothing out of the last pack. All right. Let's share out the bulk cards. Okay, moving on to our Black Bolt. Black Bolt Reuniclus. It's a cool. This is also really cool. Black Star promo. These were a lot harder to get than the Victinis, I feel like. The Victinis everywhere have a lot more than the sticker collections. I would think it would be the opposite, but Black Bolt packs. 3 Black Bolt packs. The Reuniclus stickers. And Reuniclus Illustration Ray, Black Star promo, and code card. All right. So who is going to win today? Right now, white player coming out swinging. Doing pretty good so far. Let's see if Black Bolt can't take the lead though. Basic energy. Chino, Timber, Pitville, Cover Vessel, Scavalier, Armorola, Volcarano, Cubchoo, and Conkeldurr. All right. Hollow Energy. Chino. Alright. So that cut out, I don't know where we cut out, but I've gone ahead and opened the Victini. So we have the packs out from that. And then just do a little recap. Out of White Flare, we got the Hilda, or the Hilda, Shelmet Pokeball. We got the Gothitelle Black Star promo and the Archon Black Star promo. And then what I probably cut out a little bit was Black Bolt. All we really got was the Thor Pokeball, I do believe. So, yeah. White Flare is definitely out in front. And we're going to go ahead and finish up White Flare to see what Black Bolt has to beat on these last two packs. So we're going to start with White Flare. Code card. All right, let's see. Basic Energy. Deerling, Roggenrola, Lampent, Ducklet, Brave Bengal, Mandibuzz. Alright, my phone cut out again, but I think it's good now, so I'll just go ahead and recap what we had. So from the sticker collections, we had the Hilda and the 2 Pokeballs from White Flare. And then from the Black Bolt, all we had was the Pokeball and then the Black Star promo. We were swinging and missing with Black Bolt. And then we started on the Victini collection. Got the 2 promos, very nice illustration rare, and the big card. And then we opened up the first White Flare pack, which we pulled the illustration rare Oshawott. Fortunately, I don't think that was on camera, but really nice card, and now White Flare is way out in front. So if this were a battle, White Flare would be dominating, and then we got the Swanna from that also, and the Chandelure. Last White Flare pack. Let's see what we can pull to hang on to that lead. Let's see. Code card. All right. Water Energy. Purloin. Litwick. Lillipup. Roggenrola. Garbodor. Zipstrika. Durant. Lampent. Energy Retrieval. And a Hydreigon EX. Not too bad. Black Bolt's got a lot of work to do to beat Ultra Rare and an Illustration Rare, and one of the best Illustration Rares out of White Flare. Can Black Bolt do it? There's a lot of good cards in Black Bolt, so probably could do it. Let's see if it has it in it today, though. Code card. Card to the front. Let's see. All right, start out with a Fire Energy, a P-Dove, Carablast, Golett, Ponard, Ends Plan, Chinchino, Throat, Cubchoo, and just Sandile and Volcarano. Nothing out of that. Is Black Bolt going to be swinging and missing today? Let's find out. Code card. Energy to the front. Let's see. A Basic Energy. A P-Dove. Whirlipede. Gruder. Fungus. Simpor. Crocodile. Beehive. Pokeball Ends Plan. Reuniclus. And Genesect EX. Although Genesect EX is playable, and Ends Plan is a cool card with the Pokeball, I would have to give it to White Flare, and White Flare by a mile. I mean, with the Oshawott alone, plus the Hilda, I think it's pretty clear who won this one. Alright, so White Flare takes this one, and that is all I got. Make sure to like and subscribe.